Hello students, hi everyone. Once again welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Yes, today we are going to look part 11 of rational numbers. Is about new concept. That is conversion of decimal form into rational form. Conversion of decimal form into rational form. Yes, we know that rational numbers having two types of decimal forms. First one is terminating decimal form. Second one is non-terminating recurring decimal form. Let us see first one, converting of terminating decimal to rational form. Converting of terminating decimal to rational form. For that, let us consider the decimal number 15.75. Let us see how it is converted to P by Q form. 15.75. To convert it in the P by Q form, first of all we have to count the number of decimal places. It has 10th part, 100th part. So it has two decimal places. So multiply this decimal number with 100. At the same time divide it by 100. At the same time divide it by 100. So numerator is 100 times of 15.75. 100 times of 15.75 over 100. Yes. In the numerator part, the decimal number is being multiplied by 100. So, the decimal point takes place after two digits. Since we are multiplying it by 100, the decimal point takes place after two digits. That is 1575.0, but no need to write 0.0 here, over 100. So this is a P by Q form of given decimal number, but the P by Q form of this rational number is not in its lowest term. We have to convert it to lowest term. Since units place of numerator is 5, units place of denominator is 0. So we can cancel by 5 table. Yes, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, remainder 2, draw 5 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 20s are 100. Again in table 5, 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30, 1 remainder, draw 5 15, 5 3s are 15. So simplest form of this rational number is 63 by 4. Therefore, the rational form or P by Q form of given decimal number is 63 by 4. Okay. Let us see simplest method or simple method. Given decimal number is 15.75. 15.75. Simply remove the decimal point and write the digits as it is. That is 1575 by. Since the decimal number has two decimal places, write in the denominator part 1 annexed with 2 zeros. Direct we get this step. Okay? Yes. Again, by 5 table, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 remainder, draw 5 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 20s are 100, 5 4s are 20, 5 6 are 30, 1 remainder, draw 5 15, 5 3s are 15, which is equal to also 63 by 4 is a rational form of given decimal number 15.75. As in this way, we have to convert the questions given in example 9. Let us see example 9. Express each of the following decimals in the P by Q form. First question 0.35, second one minus 8.005, third one 2.104. Yes. Let us see first one. Let us see it by simple method, second method. Simply remove the decimal point. Write the digits as it is. As 035 can be written as 35. Since it has two decimal place, write in the denominator place 1 annexed with 2 zeros. Yes, both are. Unit digit is 5, unit digit is 0. So by 5 table, 5 7s are 35, 5 20s are 100. The rational form of given decimal number 0.35 is 7 by 20. Yes, it is the P by Q form of terminating decimal 0.35. Second one. It is a negative decimal number. Negative terminating decimal number. Simply remove the decimal point and write the digits as it is minus 8005 by. In the denominator place 1 annexed with 3 zeros. As the decimal number has 3 decimal places, in the denominator place we write 1 annexed with 3 zeros. Yes, it can cancel in 5 table again. Yes, since units digit is 5, unit digit is 0. So 5 ones are 5, 3 remainder, drop 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5 by, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. Yes, minus 1601 by 200. 1601 is a odd number, 200 is even number. Further, it cannot be simplified. So, the P by Q form of given decimal number is minus 1601 by 200. Let us see third one. 2.104. Simply remove the decimal number. We write 2104, that is 2004 by. Since it has 3 decimal places, in the denominator place 1 annexed with 3 zeros. Yes, both are even number 40. Since 100 is a multiple of 4 and multiple of 100 is also a multiple of 4. So we can cancel it by 4 table. See, 4 5s are 20, 1 remainder 0 10, 4 2s are 8, remainder 2, drop 4 24, 4 6 are 24. 4 25s are 100 and 4 zeros are 0, 250. Again we get 526 by 250. But both are again even number. By 2 table we can cancel them. 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder drop to 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. By 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Yes. The rational form or P by Q form of 2.104 is 263 by 125. 263 by 125. Okay. Students, exercise 2.3, first bit. Express each of the following decimal in the P by Q form. Express each of the following decimal in the P by Q form. First question 0.57. Second question 0.176, third question 1.001, fourth question 25.125. Okay, this is homework for you people. Try yourself. Okay, by using example 9 and example 15.75 problem. Okay, next second one. Converting non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. Converting non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. For that, let us take example 10 of the textbook. Express each of the following decimals in the rational form. That is, first one is 0.4 bar, second one is 0.54 bar, third one is 4.7 bar. Yes, each of these rationals are non-terminating recurring decimal. First of all, let us see 0.4 bar. What is the period of 0.4 bar? What is period? The digit comes under the bar. The digit comes under the bar is 4. That is period of 0.4 bar is 4. And periodicity. Periodicity means number of digits in the period. Number of digits in the period. In that period we have only one digit 4. So periodicity is 1. Periodicity is 1. What is the period of 0.54 bar? Period. What is period? Period means digits comes under the bar. That is 54. So period is 54. What is periodicity? Periodicity is the number of digits in the period. Number of digits, 2 digits are there. So periodicity of 0.54 bar is 2. Similarly, here period is 7 and the periodicity is 1. Okay, leave it. Now come to the solution of 0.4 bar. We have to express 0.4 bar in terms of P by Q or rational form. For that, let us suppose given number be x, that is x equal 0.4 bar. What does bar represents? Bar represents the digits under the bar is recurring. So that is x can be written as 0. If we remove this bar, we can write 4, 4, 4. As many decimal places as we wish we can write. Let it be equation 1. X equal 0.4444 dash dash. It is equation 1. Now periodicity is 1. Periodicity is 1. So multiply by 10 on both sides. 10 on both sides of equation 1. Both sides of equation. Both sides means LHS and RHS. Yes, multiply by 10 on both sides of equation 1. That is, on LHS 10 into x we get 10x. On RHS 10 into 0.444 dash dash dash. 10 into 0.444 dash dash dash. Yes. In 7th class, we saw that how to multiply a decimal number by 10, by 100, by 1000. That is 10x equal, since we are multiplying by 10, decimal point takes place after the 1 digit. Decimal point takes place after the 1 digit. As 1 annexed with 1 0. As 1 annexed with single 0. Decimal point takes place after the 1 digit. That equal 4.44 dash dash dash. That can be written as 10x equal 4. Since this 4 is recurring decimal, we can write as many times as we wish. Let it be equation 2. Let it be equation 2. Now subtract equation 1 from equation 2. From equation 2. Let us see what we get. First write down equation 2. Equation 2 is 10x is equal 4.444 dash dash dash. Below the equation 2, write equation 1. X equal 0.444 dash dash dash. So we are subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. Let us give a negative symbol. Yes, 10x minus x, that is 9x. 4 minus 4, 0, dash dash dash. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Put a decimal point. 4 minus 0, that is 4. Okay. That is, after the decimal place, we have 0 is recurring decimal. So we can remove this 0. That is 4.0, nothing but 4. Transform multiply quantity 9 from LHS to RHS. We get x equal 4 by 9. Yes. What is x actually? That is 0.4 bar. Therefore, 0.4 bar equal 4 by 9. So that the rational form or P by Q form of the non-terminating recurring decimal 0.4 bar is 4 by 9. Yes, so that 0.4 bar equal what? 4 by 9. Let us see the solution of second one. 0.54 bar. Let us suppose the given number be x, that is x equal 0.54 bar. 0.54 bar. Yes, this can be written as 0. Bar represents, bar means the digits under the bar are recurring in the decimal part. That is 54, 54, 54, dash, dash, dash. Let it be equation 1. Since the periodicity of 0.54 bar is 2, so multiply by 100 on both sides of equation 1. On both sides of equation 1. Short form of equation 1. Okay. Since its periodicity is 2, we have to multiply by 100 on both sides of equation 1. So on LHS, 100 into x, we get 100x equal 100 into RHS, that is 0.545454 dash 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 dash. Yes, that is 100x equal multiplying 100 with 0.545454. Since in the 100 1 annexed with 2 zeros, the decimal point takes place after the 2 digits. The decimal point takes place after the 2 digits. That is 54.5454 dash dash dash. That equal 100x is equal to 54.5454. We can write, since 5 and 4 are recurring digits, so we can write as many times as we wish. So let it be equation 2. Again same process. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. From equation 2. Short form of equation 2 it is. Okay. That is, what is equation 2? 100x equal 54.5454 dash dash dash. Write the equation 1 under the equation 2. That is x equal 0. So it is in its place 0.545454 dash dash dash. We have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So put a negative symbol. 100x minus x, that is 99x, is equal to 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 5 0. Decimal place all are equal to 0. So leave it. 54 minus 0 is 54. This is whole part or integral part. So transform coefficient of x, the 99, from LHS to RHS, we get 54 by 99. Yes, what is x? X is 0.54 bar. That is 0.54 bar is equal to 54 by 99. But 54 by 99 is not its simplest form. We can cancel by 9 table. 9 6 are 54, 9 11s are. So simplest rational form of this decimal number is 6 by 11. Yes, that is 0.54 bar is equal to 6 by 11. Okay, so that the P by Q form of non-terminating recurring decimal 0.54 bar is 6 by 11. Okay, the solution of third one. Solution. Let x equal 4.7 bar. Then x can be written as 4.777 dash dash dash. Let it be equation 1. Multiplying 10 on both sides of equation 1, we get 10x equal. If we multiply it by 10, we get 10 times of 4.777 dash dash dash. For 10x equal, we are multiplying 10 with 4.777 dash dash dash. So decimal place takes after the one digit. That is, we get 47.77. But we can write as many times as we wish, as 7 is recurring decimal in the decimal part. So let it be equation 2. Now equation 2 is that 10x equal 47.777 dash dash, and equation 1 is x equal 4.77 dash dash dash. Yes, we are subtracting both these. 10x minus x equal 9x. 9x equal 47 minus 4, that is 43. 0.7 minus 7, 7 minus 1, all are zeros. So leave it the zeros and decimal point answer. So x equal to what? 43 by 9. So what is x actually? 4.7 bar. 4.7 bar equal 43 by 9. Okay, this is a rational form of non-terminating recurring decimal 4.7 bar, that is equal to 43 by 9. Okay, now homework for you people, exercise 2.3 second bit. Express each of the following decimals in the rational form, either p by q form, that is p by q form. First one 0.9 bar, second one 0.57 bar.